Welcome to another video of PHP. Today we will learn about constant in PHP. In PHP 7 you can create an array constant using the define function. This is an example of creating constant in PHP. We have an array in function define. In array we have different brands of cars. We will echo name of array and specify index number. It will print the car brand which we specified earlier. Global constants are automatically global and can be used across the entire script. In this example, we will use a constant inside a function even it was defined outside of the function. That's it from today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.